guys, and welcome to Medi's Tech Circle. In today's video we wanna unbox the Gear Icon X 2018. Oh, wait a minute. No, wrong packaging. Today, guys, we wanna unbox the Samsung Galaxy Buds. These are the Samsung True Wireless earbuds, which we got a big hype about when they launched alongside with the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10e, and everyone who pre-ordered the Galaxy S10 got them for free. So a nice deal, and today we want to unbox them. So I'm pretty damn hyped. You can see they are really in a new condition, still sealed. Thank you for a friend who sold me these Galaxy Buds, really amazing. Okay, so we want to start by cutting through the seal. And also, as you can see, the packaging, look at this. I mean, how small this package is in comparison to the Gear Icon X 2018. That's amazing. But okay, we don't want to compare just the packaging, right? So I think the box should come off. Oh no, okay, we have to cut through some scotch right there, and now they are free, I think so. Oh yeah, they are coming off, and voila, look at this. This is a sleek packaging. I mean, in comparison to that, that's amazing. So we got things right in this little box. So we got all our different sized wingtips and also a USB Type-C cable right there. Here we get all our wingtips in different sizes, like we got them here with the Gear Icon X. But the main thing is here. These are the Gear Icon, the Galaxy Buds. And wow, this packaging is damn slim. So this is really small. Wait a minute, I will take out here my Gear Icon X so we can compare both. And oh my gosh, look at that size. I mean, wow, that's really amazing. So how sleek the new packaging is, that's wow. Here you opened up the Gear Icon X like that, you see. And how we open up the new one, I will show you directly, but first of all, I will disconnect them from my Galaxy S10, from my Galaxy S9 Plus, the Gear Icon X, so we can directly, I can show you what the setup is like. And okay, disconnected them. Yeah, let's put them here to the side. And the way you open up the box is there is a magnet, and you just open these up like that, and you will see that a light will blink or show up. So I guess the thing why they still didn't show it up here is that I have to go to connection first and search for near devices to enable that. I think that is why they still didn't show it up, because usually they should connect automatically if you have the Samsung, wait a minute, yeah, the SmartThings app here on your Android device. So this works with every new device. And here you can see Galaxy Buds. They saw here, es wurde ein neues Gerät erkannt, so that means that a new device was or has been detected. So we can now just tap connect, and as you will see here, they will set up. So it will set up my device, and you can see, boom, they are already connected. Yeah, headphones, Galaxy Buds, but still we will have to wait some time until the process of connecting everything. So here we have to go through a small setup, agree to all. Here you can select apps from you want to have or get notifications. I click OK. You get a little intro about just how you use the touchpad on the Gear or on the Galaxy Buds. And alright, we are set up. So this is how it looks. You have an equalizer. I will talk about that in another video, but I mean, let's take them out. Okay, so we also got here, I have a new update for them, which stabilizes the Bluetooth connection. You can see the left earbud has a battery life of 95% and the right one of 100. And let's take them out, and boom, here you go. I mean, look at this size comparison. Look, when we compare them with the Gear Icon X, you can really see how they compare in size. I mean, that's really a huge difference, and I mean really a huge difference. They are so much smaller, as you can see. I hope you can see that right. This is really a big size difference right there. So yeah, I will test them out. If you have any questions about them, just leave them in the comments down below and I will answer them. And yeah, I hope you liked this unboxing. I will definitely do much in-depth, more in-depth comparison to the Gear Icon X, also sound-wise, how they are, what's the difference from the sound perspective, you know. I will make videos about this, of course. So yeah, I hope you liked that video. If yes, please subscribe to this channel. Also, just wanna add that one of the highlights here is that you can charge them up wirelessly. So as you can see, okay, it's not right in the middle, but as you can see, they are charging up. Boom, that's amazing. So you can just charge the buds by putting them on your wireless charging pad. And when I remove them, they weren't charging. And of course with the Gear Icon X, that doesn't work. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, please consider to subscribe to my channel and I will see you around. Bye. Let it go.